only one speaking.
No, yeah, come on, you clap.
Under tension, no clapping.
Okay, welcome to UAE Advanced Toastmasters. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
The General Topic Master, thank you so much for taking away the role from me after I gave it to you. And I think one thing which we really learned is how to get simple topics for people to speak in a matter of seconds. I think you prepared the topic after I told you here, number one. Number two, you prepared a sixth topic here on the spot, which was, I feel, the best topic out of all the six. Right, well done. In terms of the performance of the speakers, the summer heat is better than the winter's cold. Siddharth, a challenge which Siddharth has taken is to come and speak on table topics most of the time so that he can improve his fast thinking skills. Siddharth is a very good international speech speaker. That means a person who prepares speeches, writes down, rehearses, and he speaks very well. But when it comes to impromptu, he wanted to attack. So for me today, Siddharth was very confident when it came to the speaking skills, the understanding of the topic. Summer heat is better than the winter's cold. You had all the instances which you explained. The only thing which you missed is the organization. The opening, the body, and the conclusion. You had the body. You didn't have the opening and the conclusion. You have to agree whether summer heat is better than the winter's cold, and you have to summarize that summer heat is better than the winter's cold. Or you say, sorry, I do not agree. I feel the winter cold is better than the summer heat, and reverse it. Whichever one. Yeah? You jump out of the plane and the parachute does not open. Sumita. Your conclusion is something which everybody liked. I felt that the understanding of the topic is very important. Okay? You jump out of the plane and the parachute does not open. That means you have already jumped. You jump out of the plane. That means you're either jumped or you're pushed or whatever it is, you are there and you're trying to open the parachute which is not open. What will you do at that time? Yeah, if I were you, probably I will start panicking. I will start thinking about, come on, something is wrong. Yeah, I will start fidgeting how to open this, what to do. I will show it in front of the audience. In fact, I will actually show that as if I am flying and I don't know what to do. And eventually, I look up to God and said, yeah, is this where you want me to come back to you? And then start off saying, you know what happened? I came into this because somebody pushed me from the plane. You first start off because you're already there.
Okay.
You're already there. And then you create a feel and then come to the conclusion. Alright? In-store promotions are sales gimmicks. Well done. You actually spoke about discounted things, you spoke about personal examples, everything. In-store promotions are sales gimmicks and not of value, right? Yeah? And not of value. So you should actually, you spoke about 2 shirts, to buy 2, get 1, everything. Value, brilliant. Yeah? Well done. Nagarajan, the only thing which you should probably do is get more confidence and get more meat into speaking to people. That means you had the instances very well. You started off in the opening very well. Yeah, and then in the conclusion probably you lost in between. Because you were talking about value, you should speak about value more and more. Is this something which we want? And I would stop referring to UAE. Because wherever you speak, it's normal. Yeah, if you want to speak about something, then speak about a particular retail store or a particular cloth store instead of speaking about the country. Because when you are on stage and you speak about this and somebody records it somewhere and puts it on YouTube, thank you so much. Okay. Current day smartphones are hackers. Give her a wonderful round of applause. Now, what I noticed in Rasita is brilliant way of opening the speech. You actually start off in a very smiling way. You were the best of table topic speakers when you smiled and started saying, I don't agree with it. Well done. And you spoke about quite a few things. The only thing which you did not do is how will you use those smartphones personally in your life? And why are you not agreeing that it is a curse? You lost out there. And I think for you in table topics, don't look at Nagarajan.
And
Because you look at Nagarajan, you lose your way.
you should also not look at me because
Yeah.
the moment he looks at me,
I think there is a feeling here saying, what will people think about me? Am I speaking well? Let that go away. And if you want to think about it for once, look down and look up. That's okay. Or look at the parapet, the wall. Don't look at these people. Today I think I felt really that he was looking at somebody and you lost your speech. Don't do it. A bird in hand is better than 2 in a bush. What a topic, Jayesh. You missed on the topic, if you ask me. Okay? A bird in hand is better than two in the bush. I'll give you examples of what she could have done. Before your marriage, you had 3 affairs, and you wanted to think about all the 3 and have all the 3 in your life. You cannot have the cake and eat it too. You need to select one. Alright? Or you should say, regardless of what happens, I don't want to marry, I want to keep all the 3. Okay? So a bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. If you want to say, no, I want the 2 in the bush, I want to let go of the bird, use such examples. Alternately, if you have a child, she gets admitted into universities, 10 different universities in hand. They did not select anyone because they are waiting and waiting and waiting, and eventually they lose the opportunity because they don't realize that the best of universities is gone. And then you suddenly realize, shit man, I had 2 in hand and I lost everything. So it's better I have 1 in hand than having 2 or 3. Bring examples and that will help. This is actually a sentence where it says, you have too many things in your life, yeah, but you are not able to select one. Eventually it is saying select one, have what you have in life and enjoy life. You are walking on the road and you see a snake coming towards you. Fantastic topic. Very well explained about the snake and the comparative language to people. Brilliantly done. But again the topic is you are walking on the road. You are already walking on the road and you see a snake coming towards you. Now the snake can be a crawling snake. The snake can be a walking human being. So you are walking on the street and you are seeing that snake which you explained. Alright, so that is where you should start. You should start off saying, I am walking and I suddenly saw this person. I knew that he was a snake. Table topic master, fellow Toastmasters, distinguished guests. You know what a snake is? A snake is not just that crawling thing which comes on the street. A snake is something which walks too. And the snake can come in front, can come from behind, can come from everywhere. So you need to be careful about snakes in your life. So beware of the snakes who actually will bite you without you knowing. A snake bite is very dangerous when you actually are bitten without knowing. When you know a snake is biting, you know how to prevent yourself. Explanation was given very well. I think the organization for you and him, you should just listen to the topic and
We
push
should
it.
start it from the point and then that
Go flashback and then go flashback.
Understood.
Okay? Thank you
That
so
would
much.
have been-
Please give a big hand. One of the best evaluation